Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade with American Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your American Express card, start by visiting the official American Express website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Upgrade Your Card. Click on this option to initiate the upgrade process. You'll be presented with the different upgrade options available to you. Review the features and benefits of each upgrade carefully. Select the card you wish to upgrade to. Pay attention to any changes in fees or interest rates associated with the new card. After selecting your preferred card, click on Continue. You may be asked to confirm your identity at this stage. Follow the prompts to verify your identity as required. Once your identity is confirmed, review the terms and conditions of the new card. Make sure you understand any new obligations or reward structures. If you agree, proceed by clicking Accept. Your request to upgrade will now be submitted for review. Wait for a confirmation, which may take a few minutes. You'll receive a notification via email regarding the status of your upgrade. If approved, your new card will be mailed to your registered address. Once you receive your new card, activate it as instructed. Finally, start enjoying the benefits that come with your upgraded American Express card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.